So guys, if you have a problem with mice shoot up your pipes, the heating duct, like I did, so I couldn't find nothing on how to run this heating duct in here. So I'm just gonna make a quick video. It's kind of a little hard because you have to take the underbelly off. There's no way around it. You have to do it. This middle one that's close to the heater, you should be fine. If the other, either that way or that way, has a bad heating duct, then you have to take the underbelly off, and I'll show you why. You can't really pull it without taking the underbelly out, because first of all, there is some foam sprayed right here on this is your frame. On this side of the frame there's some foam sprayed, so some part of the duct is stuck to the foam. Then there's those frame members right here that you have to go over, and right here, if you can see it, yeah, so it's a tight squeeze out there. It's hard to do it without taking the underbelly out, so you have to take at least a little bit so you can pull it down, kind of to squeeze your hand into it, and then you can do it. See how all three of my pipes are messed up? See, this one is not that bad, and see how that, so I have to replace that one too, all the way up there in the back. That's why you have to take the underbelly out. This is a Keystone Outback 2010 301 BQ. I'm pretty sure there's more Keystone Outbacks different years that would do the same thing. So I just bought this trailer, and that's what I discovered. So yeah, make sure that you do some kind of a mice control. Make sure you don't get the mice in the first place, but if you happen to have the problem like I do, maybe you bought it and have the same problem, there you have to take the underbelly, and it's screwed in with a 10mm head, self tappers. So it's not that hard, just time consuming. All right, well, hopefully that was helpful, and if it was, give it a thumbs up and have a good one.